2 days down and 2 to go. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 2017 ATB Tour of Alberta for Stage 3 here in Edmonton. So you can see the biggest GC threat is Nigel Elsay, the Silver Pro cycling rider, at 55 seconds down. So that's why Rally was up at the front. We saw Danny Pate driving up there. Cannondale had Lawson Craddock driving at the front. They're going to be probably working for Walter Wippert here. They're trying to make sure that this one comes back so that Wippert has a chance at another stage win. Barry will be the first to attack out of the breakaway as these five start attacking each other. It's down to 4 as Cataford drops off the back from that Josh Barry attack. Oh, and there's the peloton right behind him.
Yeah, it's a good effort, you know, just to maybe to put on a show. But again, the writing's on the wall here for sure. H&R Block pushing the pace. It's Rupnik still at the front here.
There's the catch. We're all back together as H&R Block drives to the front, catches the 5 breakaway riders, and we hit the reset button here on Stage 3 at the ATB Tour of Alberta with just about 7 kilometers to go to the finish line. Now, Hollow Esco Citadel is the best positioned team. They've got the best riders. Here comes Median Inder, though. They're going to try to give this one a go as now the Colombians take over on the front.
It's a full gas sprint up this climb for the guys at the front. Everyone else is getting stretched out. 1K to go.
All right, you saw that red flag inside the final kilometer. 1,000 meters of racing between these guys and the finish line. Who will come over the top of Median Inder, and have they gone too early? 500 meters to the line. Travis McCabe has hit the front a little early. He's going to want to get off and let someone take over. This looks like Alex Howes trying to drop off. Walter Wippert.
Got to stay on the draft right here. Got to stay in the draft.
This is going to be perfect for Cannondale-Drapac, but Howes has gone a little early. Wippert is off the wheel, and now Rally tries to go. So Howes gets the early jump. He may catch these guys off guard inside 150 meters. Cannondale-Drapac leads it out early to the line, and they are going to go back to back here at the ATB Tour of Alberta as Alex Howes backs it up for Cannondale-Drapac and gets the win here in Edmonton. So there are your jersey leaders after Stage 3. Once again, Evan Huffman in yellow, Sepp Kuss in the King of the Mountains jersey, the top climber. He'll be safe in that heading in to the final stage tomorrow. Walter Wippert moves into the overall lead in the green jersey competition, the sprint competition, and then Jack Burke, best young rider and best Canadian rider for the Canada 150 jersey.
And Rob Britton will wear that red